Hi friends, welcome back to my channel MTT Trading. This will be the second video which I will be uploading to my channel. If you have already watched my video about my option buying plan, then you can skip this video to the timeline mentioned here. So it will be like a mostly similar, and only the rules will be changing for option buying and option selling. So for the people who haven't watched my other video, you can stay and we will discuss what are the plans and what this video is about. Okay. So to start with the intention behind this channel will be a video journal of a beginner trader. I consider myself as a beginner trader, so it will be like a video journal of a beginner trader. And in this channel, I will be doing two trading challenges, and in my real life also, I'll be doing two challenges. So I will be making videos of that. So first one will be like a option buying 100 points a lot per week, and the second one will be the option selling 100 points a week. In this challenge, I will be trying to collect 100 points per week from Bank Nifty. That is what I'm trying to do in both the challenges. There will be detailed weekly videos on Saturday or Sunday regarding how the buying went for the week and how the selling went for the week. And there will be daily shorts uploaded to this channel on the trades which I have taken for the day. So that is a whole plan. So we will go to the detailed video where I'll be explaining my plan for option selling. Yeah, so we can start with a video. This video is about option selling plan, which we will be doing option selling strategy, which challenge which we will be doing in this channel. So the as I explained earlier, that I will be trying to collect 100 points a lot per week. That is what I'm trying to do, and through option selling. We can skip to the next slide. Before I start this video, I would like to give a short introduction of myself. So I'm working in MNC by profession, and I'm a part-time trader, and I'm also in market from 2019. And my trading journey was not that great till so far. I have never made money from market consistently for more than 2 months. What I usually do is like I to make profit for 2 months, and I used to lose the money which I have made in the third or fourth month. That is what happened to me so far. So I still consider myself as a beginner trader, and by beginner trader, it means that I have never made the money consistently. That's the reason why I'm calling me as a beginner trader. But 2000 from 2019, I'm in market, and I know almost all the basic stuffs which a trader needs to know. That is like C, what is C, what is P, and even advanced concepts of price action. I know. So that is all about me. Yeah. So coming to the next slide, what is this for? So as I explained earlier, the plan is to make 100 points a week from the market per lot. That is what I am trying to do. So the timelines to start this challenge is from November 2020, and this will be for option selling. Sorry, there is a mistake in the slide. This is for option selling. So that is what I'm trying to do. And this channel records the video journal for the trading journey. And in my life, I have never made money due to lack of risk reward, money management, and positionalizing. And this channel will be a documented evidence of if I'm following the right risk reward, money management, and positionalizing, if whether I will be able to make money. And if I see, I mean, if I upload this video, and if you are seeing after say 1 or 2 years, then you can definitely think that the strategy is the second thing, and the only way to make money from market is like risk reward, money management, and positionalizing. So we are just experimenting, and I am also not clear whether I will be able to achieve this, but we are trying to document whatever I am trying to do in my life. Yeah, that is what this video is about. Yeah, coming to the next slide, I just mentioned that I will be trying to collect 100 points a week from a lot, right? So what it means, 100 points in option premium from Bank Nifty. That is what I'm trying to do. It is like I will be selling CE or PE, and CE and PE, and collecting only 100 points of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, 100 rupees from Bank Nifty. That is what I'm trying to do. If I'm that means it also means like if I say one lot, it is like a 15 quantity, right? So 100 points into 15 quantity is like rupees to 1500 per week. That is a maximum profit I am trying to achieve. What I'm trying to say is like maximum I will be losing 1500 rupees per lot per week. That is what I'm trying to do. So if I take the trade in Nifty, then the calculation will be a little bit different, because the lot size for Nifty is like 50, and 50 divided by 15, which is a lot size for Bank Nifty. So the points will be 3.3. It is like if I make 10 points in Nifty, it will be equal to 33 points collected for the challenge. That is what I am trying to say. 110 points in Nifty is equal to 33 points in 33 points for the challenge. Similar will be case of for the bank Nifty. Here it will be divided by 40 for and in Nifty. That is what I'm trying to say. Hope you got my point, right? Okay. We'll continue the next slide. Next slide is about the rules for this challenge. So in this slide, I will be trying to explain what are the rules I'm trying to follow for this challenge. So I'll be starting with 60,000 as the initial capital, and we'll take trades in Bank Nifty, Nifty, and Fin Nifty based on the market conditions, and we'll be selecting PE or BE based on the market condition, and it will be I will be selling market. I will be selling put or call slightly out of the money, and the maximum SL for the day will be like 1,000 rupees, and I will be trying to achieve 1:1 or 1:1.5. That is my risk reward ratios. So daily there will be two trades, and maximum loss I will try to keep between within rupees 1,000 rupees. So we'll start with one lot. When I explained, I will be starting with one lot. You will be having a question like, you have 60,000 rupees in your account, and why you are starting with one lot? So the reason why I'm doing that is because even if the SL hit for 20 continuous days, then also I will be able to continue with my trading. That is the reason why I'm trying to keep one lot of trading, one lot as my position sizing. If we consider two SL per day, it will be like a maximum SL of 1,000 rupees. And if I even if I hit for 20 SL for 20 days, then I will lose 20,000 rupees, and I'm still end up with 40,000 rupees of capital. That is what I'm trying to mention. And the maximum capital required for taking a trade in Bank Nifty, if there is a hedge position of 1,000 points, then it will be like at around 30,000 rupees. So that is what I'm trying to do. So I in the detailed videos I will be trying to explain why how this posture sizing and why hedging, all these details in later video. So we'll go to the next slide. So continuing with the rules for the challenge. I'll be starting with one lot, and one I'll be increasing the lot size by one if I reach the points 500. What I mean by this, I'm trying planning to start the get 100 points, right? So once in 5 weeks, I if everything goes well, then I will be collecting 500 points, and once I reach this 500 points, then I will be increasing the lot size to two. That is what I mentioned in this challenge. So there's a difference from option buying in this, because I used to increase my lot size every 500 cumulative points, right? Here that cannot be done, because at least we require 30,000 rupees as a capital for increasing the lot size. So what I'm trying to do is like, I will increase my lot size to 3 when I reach the capital of 1,000, 1 lakh 5,000 rupees. And when I yeah, one more point I would like to highlight is like, when the lot size is 2, then the points collected in that week will be 200 points. It is like, then every one lot I will be trying to collect 100 points. That is what the challenge is. Next rule is like, unless the specified capital 1 lakh 5,000 is reached, I won't increase the portion sizing, or I won't be able to increase the portion sizing. That is that's way of saying it. And after reaching a decent lot size, maybe 4 or 5, if I make money from the option buying challenge, then I will try to introduce those capital to option selling. That is what I am trying to do. Hope I think you got my point. If everything is not clear, then we will try to explain these rules again during our weekly videos. Anyway, you can post any questions if you have any in the comments, and I will try to answer that. And if I'm not able to answer that, I will try to answer those in the next video, I would say. Yeah. So coming to the next slide, what I have achieved so far in November. Today is November 26th, and I'll be explaining what I have done in last 3 weeks. That is what I'm trying to do. Okay. So to explain that, I'll be taking you to the Excel sheet which I keep as my journal, trading journal, and as well as the back end of the broker which I'm using. Coming back to the Excel sheet which I have prepared, I mentioned that I'll be starting this challenge in November, right? So I'm starting this challenge from the week starting from 6th of November. And I was initially planning for 50 points a week as my target, and I will be increasing that to 100 from next week. So I'll update that in this training journal. So cumulatively, I was planning for 150 points till the third week of November. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so what happened on the sixth week starting on the 6th November? I was planning for 750 rupees points and 50 weeks, 50 points as a cumulative profit. I mean, the profit for the week. So I ended up with one minus 137. I in the initial week itself, I met with some unexpected scenarios, and I broke some rules. So I paid the price. I would say I lost 137 points, which is actually equal to more than 2050 rupees as a loss, and I had an expense of 34 rupees. So coming to the expenses, brokerages and all. So I'll be using zero brokerage trading accounts for, I mean, trading service providers for this challenge, because I'm starting with one position sizing, right? So if I with the discounted broker itself, for doing this option selling, I need to buy one leg and I need to sell that leg. For hedging, I need to add one more leg. So there will be like a four trades, minimum of four trades to do one trade, one lot of trading. So it will be like a 180 rupees of 80 rupees as a brokerage plus STT and all. It will be like around 200 rupees of expense per day. Maybe 120 to 120 to 200 rupees of expense per day. Uh, but you can see that since I'm using a zero brokerage firm, I only incurred 34 rupees as my expense, even if I took around 8 or 10 trades, maybe eight more than 8 or 10 trades in that week. Around 34 rupees, this is a expense which I have incurred. So my cumulative loss will be like 2000, within 2100 rupees. So as I mentioned, I have started earlier. So my starting capital was around 62,745 at the starting of the week, and I ended up with 60,652 after losing around 2,100 rupees. So that is what happened in the first week. So we will see what really happened in that week from the back end of the broker. So, as I mentioned, I am using a zero brokerage firm. It is like Finvasia. I'm using Finvasia as a zero brokerage. As my broker for selling, and for buying, I will be using Kotak Neo. So that is what I'm trying to do. And I'm using Finvasia for almost 1 year, and multiple times I have faced issues because it is a zero brokerage company and there will be issues anyway. So it is something that I need to live with. That is what I'm thinking about. And with Kotak, I am using that from 6th of November, and I haven't seen any issues so far. I'm not sure other there are reports that there are issues with Kotak also. Maybe I will be right. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not sure of that. So I haven't faced any issues just so far. That is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, I'm using a zero brokerage firm. There will be issues. I'm ready to face that issues, because my lot size is one. Maximum I will be losing some, say whatever the amount I will be losing, that is it. I'm ready to take that risk. That is what I'm trying to say. And I will be giving links to open account for in the description below. If you want to take that, you need to take that risk with an understanding that there will be issues for zero brokerage companies. And also, I have a corporate account. Partner account with Alice Blue. If you want a little bit more stable broker, then I will suggest to go with the Alice Blue as a brokerage company. The broker for you, and I can provide that link also. That's a referral link, and I will be getting some money if you start trading with that account. That is what I'm saying. It is no there is no ask from my side to start with my referrals. You can directly Google these names and go to those websites and get registered there. There is no ask from my side. I just mentioned that I will be giving, if you feel my challenge is worth watching, and if you're trying to start a new account, then definitely you can try those things. Otherwise, go with Google, or your existing broker. That is my suggestion. Yeah. So yeah, I've gone to many other topics right now. So we'll come back to our topic, and the core of the topic was like what I'm trying to do, what I try to do, and how much profit or loss I made in the first week of November. Okay. So coming back to the portal, you can see I just refreshing this portal again. So you can see that in I'm taking the for yeah, I have started this for 6th of November, and maybe the end date is like 12th of November. There was a trading which happened on 12th of November because of this Muhurat trading, right? So we'll be including that also. So let's see what has happened really happened over the week. So just the data is getting pulled over. Yeah, you can see that I have taken around more than 10 or 12 trades, and even if I have taken this much trades, my total charges is just 34 rupees. That is what I have spent as a brokerage and commission and all the just sorry for that. Yeah, I have spent around 34 rupees. This is what I was trying to say. I lost around 2058 rupees, and the net total for the week is like 2000 within 2100. So again, going back to the Excel sheet, that is what happened in the first week. Then we'll come to what really happened in the second week, 13th, the week starting from 13th. In that week, I was planning for 50 rupees, and I made around 131 points from Agat, which made my cumulative to -7. I have lost 137 last week, and I have made 131. So my cumulative loss like 7 -7 points, and the cumulative profit planned till this week was 100 points. Still I'm behind 93 points. That is what happened. And this profit for the week is like 1959, and I get an expense of 9.48. Total it is like cumulative profit of 9050 rupees. That is what I have achieved so far. So I'm going back to my trading portal. Yeah, just clicking the derivative P&L, going to October, sorry, November, starting with 13th of November and ending with 17th of November. That is the trade range I'm selecting. And you can see that the number of trades which I took over this period was much less, and I have only paid 10 rupees as my brokerage, and I have made a profit of 19,059, and yeah, 19,050 as mentioned in the Excel sheet. So coming back to the Excel for the third week report, yeah, coming back to the Excel for the third week report, the week starting from 20th of November, where I was planning for 50 rupees of profit, and the cumulative profit should be around like 150, right? And I have collected around 159 over this week. So my cumulative total profit is like 153, and my expense was 17.38, and my total profit was 2388. After the brokerage and taxes, I have made around 2370. So my total capital became 6,400, sorry, 64,425. So going back to the portal, I'm just trying to load the derivative PNL again, and going to the November week, yeah, November week, and selecting the week starting from 27th and to till date. Okay. So you can see that during this week I have made trades in Bank Nifty and Nifty, and there are decent number of trades around 10, more than 10 anyway. And you can see that sorry, I can you can see that I have made around 2,388 and 2,370 as the total profit for the week. So going back to the Excel sheet which I was using, so just coming back to the Excel sheet, and you can see that how much I made so far. So I'm just summing all these amounts, and it is like 2,226. That is the what total amount which I have made so far. just to verify in the back end also, I will be selecting the dates from then. Again, going back to the derivative PNL, going to November, and when I click that, then you can see that I have made this much trades, and the total profit I have made in the month of November is like 2226 rupees. Yeah, that is what was trying to explain. And yeah, this I think this is trying to conclude this video. We will again catch up with an update in the next week. So till then, bye, thank you.